Hey guys, so if you're here learning about logic and sequencing in Max MSP. It's going to be a quick video, just a continuation of something we've been working on already, these logic objects. So in this video, I'm just going to show something that keeps coming up as a sticking point. So let's say you have here a stream of data, and in this case, we have a counter set up, and you're looking to make something happen when the counter is at 2 or at 3. So the thing happens, whatever it is, the media, sound file, if it receives a 2 or if it receives a 3. So you have these equal objects set up, and that's what they do. If it gets the 2, the thing that it's looking for, it sends out a 1, that's a true. And if it gets anything else, it sends out a 0, which is a false. So you might think, okay, if I want a 2 or 3, I can just set up the output of these equals to the same toggle box, somewhere here, and then it'll get a 1 and everything's dandy, right? And as it turns out, that's not the case, because equals is doing something else that's really useful normally, but tends to be quite confusing in these types of cases. So equals is sending out a 1 when it's true, but it's also sending out a 0 with every single value that it gets that doesn't match its input. So if you're sending out 1 true and 1 not true, you have competing messages. The toggle button is going to display the most recent message that it received. So if you send a true, but then really quickly after that you send a false, a 0, we humans don't even notice. We don't even see that true because it was so fast. We only see the false. This also means that whatever is happening down here, the cool media stuff, sound file, movies, lights, whatever, isn't getting to happen either. So this also means that you have to have some way of knowing which of these messages the toggle is getting first and which it's getting second. So in Max, order of operations is right to left, opposite of how we read a book in English. The first thing to happen is the rightmost thing, followed by all this way, all the way over to the left, and then that would be the last thing that happens is the leftmost thing. So the solution to this problem is to use a logical OR object. Logical OR compares 2 inputs and gives a true if either of them are true. So if 2 is true or 3 is true here, then we're sending out a 1 here and a 1 here, and then this gets turned on here, and then we're all good to go.